Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to remove email address from Snapchat account. First, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat or your Snapchat application is up to date. Tap the human icon, or let's just say your profile, and then once you're here, you just have to tap this gear icon or settings. Now, once you tap the settings, you can see some options there. We have name, username, birthday, mobile number, and email. Tap this one. So in order for you to remove your email address on Snapchat, all you have to do is to just simply erase your email address here and change this into new email address. Or if you want to make it as blank or leave it as blank, you just have to type at least point, something like that, or comma or something like that. Because if you leave it blank, you cannot change it. You can't leave it just like that. So you have to type something, letter or any symbol. And then once you're done with that, they will ask for your password in order for you to completely erase your email address. And that's how easy it is to remove email address from Snapchat account. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.